This is normally just a regular pathway. It's become a raging torrent of spring runoff. So this is an exercise in energy flow, really, because you see that if there are any places where there's blockage and the flow can't go through, then we're going to get stagnant water sitting behind our house and making even more of a flood than there already is. So we are just going to do some advanced physics here. You see some standing water and it's not flowing very well, so let's open the floodgates and let it flow. Let's let this energy move. There we go, that's much better. Just need to let it find its own level, and all I need to do is see what it wants to do and help it do that.